Welcome to Tuscany, Italy, a place that looks just as beautiful in real life as it does in your dreams. Whether you're a lover of art, history, nature, or simply the good life, Tuscany has something for you. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the top 10 places and experiences in Tuscany that you absolutely can't miss. So get ready to explore the heart of Italy in all its glory. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. We begin our journey in Florence, the capital of Tuscany and the birthplace of the Renaissance. Florence is a city that breathes art and culture. From the magnificent Florence Cathedral with its iconic dome designed by Brunelleschi to Michelangelo's masterpiece, the Statue of David, Florence is a treasure trove of artistic wonders. Beyond the art, Florence is also known for its charming streets, bustling markets, and the picturesque Ponte Vecchio Bridge, lined with shops. A stroll through the Uffizi Gallery, home to some of the most important works of the Renaissance, is a must for any art lover. Florence is a city that will leave you inspired and awestruck. Pisa, the famous Leaning Tower. Next, we head to Pisa, home to one of the most famous landmarks in the world, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. This iconic bell tower, which began leaning during its construction in the 12th century, has become a symbol of architectural resilience. But Pisa has more to offer than just its famous tower. The Piazza dei Miracoli, where the tower is located, is also home to the stunning Pisa Cathedral and the Baptistry, both magnificent examples of Romanesque architecture. Take your time to explore these historic buildings and enjoy the unique charm of Pisa. San Gimignano, the Manhattan of the Middle Ages. San Gimignano is often referred to as the Manhattan of the Middle Ages because of its towering skyline. This small, walled town is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture, including 14 towers that have survived the centuries. These towers were originally built by wealthy families as symbols of their power and influence. Walking through the narrow streets of San Gimignano feels like stepping back in time. The town is also famous for its Vernaccia wine, a crisp white wine produced in the surrounding hills. Don't forget to visit the Piazza della Cisterna, the heart of the town, where you can enjoy a glass of wine while taking in the medieval atmosphere. Siena, Italy's most impressive square. Siena is a city that rivals Florence in beauty and history. The highlight of Siena is undoubtedly the Piazza del Campo, one of the most impressive medieval squares in Europe. The square is famous for its unique shell shape and for being the site of the Palio, a historic horse race that takes place twice a year. At the edge of the square stands the Torre del Mangia, a towering medieval bell tower that offers breathtaking views of the city. Siena is also home to the stunning Siena Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture with intricate marble facades and beautiful frescoes. A visit to Siena is a journey into the heart of Tuscany's medieval past. Chianti, the land of wine. Chianti is synonymous with wine, and no visit to Tuscany would be complete without exploring this world-renowned wine region. The Chianti area, located between Florence and Siena, is famous for its picturesque vineyards, charming villages, and, of course, its exceptional wines. Drive through the rolling hills dotted with cypress trees and stop at one of the many wineries to sample Chianti Classico, the region's most famous wine. Many vineyards also offer tours where you can learn about the winemaking process and enjoy tastings in a serene countryside setting. Chianti is the perfect place to relax, sip some wine, and enjoy the beauty of Tuscany. Val d'Orcia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Val d'Orcia is a region in southern Tuscany that's so beautiful, it's been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This area is known for its postcard-perfect landscapes, with rolling hills, golden wheat fields, and lines of cypress trees that seem to stretch endlessly into the horizon. Val d'Orcia is home to charming villages like Pienza and Montalcino, each offering its own unique character and local specialties. This region is also known for its rich agricultural traditions, producing some of the best olive oil and wine in Tuscany. Whether you're exploring the countryside by car or on foot, Val d'Orcia will leave you mesmerized by its natural beauty. Lucca, the city of 100 churches. Lucca is a charming and historic city known for its well-preserved Renaissance walls and its abundance of churches. Hence its nickname, the City of 100 Churches. The city walls are one of Lucca's most distinctive features, and you can walk or cycle along the top of them for a unique view of the city. Lucca's historic center is a maze of narrow streets, lined with medieval buildings, quaint shops, and, of course, countless churches. The city's most famous church is the Lucca Cathedral, a beautiful Romanesque structure with an intricately decorated facade. Lucca is also known for its lively piazzas and its vibrant cultural scene, making it a must-visit destination in Tuscany. Monteriggioni, a journey back in time. Monteriggioni is a tiny medieval hilltop village that looks almost exactly as it did when it was built in the 13th century. Surrounded by perfectly preserved walls and 14 watchtowers, Monteriggioni feels like a place frozen in time. It's no wonder that Dante mentioned it in his Divine Comedy. The village itself is small, with a handful of charming streets and a central piazza where you can relax and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. Monteriggioni's strategic location offers stunning views of the surrounding Tuscan countryside, making it a perfect stop on your journey through Tuscany. Montalcino, the home of Brunello. Montalcino is a hilltop town best known for its Brunello di Montalcino, one of Italy's most prestigious wines. The town itself is a charming medieval settlement with narrow streets, historic buildings, and a fortress that dates back to the 14th century. Montalcino's vineyards produce some of the finest wines in Tuscany, and a visit to a local winery is a must for any wine enthusiast. The town's wine cellars are often housed in ancient buildings, adding to the unique experience of tasting Brunello right where it's made. Beyond wine, Montalcino offers breathtaking views over the Val d'Orcia and the surrounding countryside. Elba, Napoleon's island exile. Our final stop takes us to the island of Elba, located off the coast of Tuscany. Elba is famous for being the place where Napoleon Bonaparte was exiled in 1814, but today it's known for its beautiful beaches, crystal clear waters, and stunning landscapes. Elba is the largest island in the Tuscan archipelago, and it offers a variety of outdoor activities, from hiking and biking to snorkeling and diving. The island's rich history can be explored through its museums and fortresses, while its natural beauty is best appreciated along its scenic coastal trails. Whether you're a history buff or a beach lover, Elba is an idyllic escape in the heart of the Mediterranean. Those were the top 10 places to see in Tuscany, Italy. Each of these destinations offers its own unique charm, history, and beauty, making Tuscany a truly unforgettable region to explore. Whether you're wandering through medieval towns, savoring world-class wines, or simply enjoying the breathtaking scenery, Tuscany has something for everyone.